Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your Devops SRE DevSecOps coach. So I'll write a steps for you. Okay, first thing,
Okay.
integrate and automate SQL Server installation with Windows Server. So first of all, you need a rule for MS SQL installation in Windows. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that is a something which you needed. So first thing, what you will do, step number one, find a rule for MS SQL installation in Windows. Okay, so this role will be there on Galaxy, Ansible Galaxy. Okay, so here
Mm-hmm.
a role will be there and MS SQL. So development MS SQL, search for it, MS SQL. Here it is. Now you need to find out MS SQL. This is 48 download. This was written by 2 years ago. Many other MS SQLs should be there, but here there's only one role I found out. And after that, I'll also search for here. So maybe some other category also there. So MS SQL, enter. And now here, this is the right one. You see, there's so many downloads. So this is the written by Microsoft. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so you don't have to worry about. So now the first step, download this here. Now if you see that supported distribution, so here right now uh, collection contain the Microsoft SQL Server, but this is for RHEL, Fedora installations. So this will not help you because you want to do in Windows. Okay,
Yeah.
so let me check the other if it is operating system Windows. So uh, filter by platform Windows. I'm just checking if it is available here. So now here I see this guy is having this MySQL and a role MySQL 5 years ago and all. So this also you can use as a reference. Okay, this code you can use as a reference.
Okay.
Okay, this code which is for the Windows platform. Now if you see that this code, okay, here these are the roles. Important thing is task, and here you will have all the tasks. So now if you see that this is the PowerShell module they are triggering, and so this is the one of the module they're installing. There's another module, then another module, and so on. So this you will understand, and some active directory changes, you know, and reboot here is happening. Flush some database, they're flushing it. So this two modules you have to do that. So first thing here, this one, second is this one. So let me put it up here. Number one, step number two, and this is the role collection, but this is the official one, Linux. Okay. Uh, this also you can use it, three modules, for example, roles, and this is the official one. I'm
Mm.
wondering why this is not supported Windows. Let me search. It's a Microsoft, developed by Microsoft,
Mm.
but I cannot find it. But this is good for reference. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Linux. Okay, so now you got this here. Again, I will check that. Ansible role for MS SQL. Google also. And here, Microsoft website is there. I'll just check this. So SQL, and this is coming same, but not supporting Windows. So I will also check that at GitHub. Okay, some codes, you have it. So this is the one, KKOL, I think I did it here. And a robot, let me check this code. So this is a robot doc. So this guy has also written and it's up to date actually. Which operating system? So here, let me check. Go to the task, main. This is the Linux. This is Linux. So this code seems to be also good. You can put it up in the collections. This now I think this is also good. Hmm. And this is, go to the tasks, main.yaml install. This is also Linux actually. Hmm. Okay, so now you got the few tool which you can check it out, few roles. Second one, don't jump to output. What I said, rule number one, install install MS SQL manually in Windows. Okay. Step number three, find out modules for the same. Okay, so find out the module for same. So where to find out? So I'll tell you the modules for the same steps. So here for Ansible Windows module, this is the all sorry, Ansible modules are there, which is for
Mm-hmm.
Windows. Here
Okay.
every modules, this will work for Windows only.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the modules. Step number four, write ad hoc command first. Ad hoc commands and test it in local Windows. And step number four, um, write a playbook. Because you have a steps ready, write a playbook and test it in other machine. Now see here.
I have a small doubt, Raj. Sorry to interrupt. If our local machine is not Windows, but we have to install Ansible on Windows, I mean, we are writing scripts to install this.
I'll give you
Then
the
what will?
solution. So here understand that if you remember the first discussion, ACS
Mm-hmm.
has to be Linux, no
Yeah.
doubt about it. Is
Okay.
AARS can be Windows actually.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
in that case, what you will do, I'll give you the step-by-step knowledge information. In
Mm-hmm.
ARS, okay, and ACS, whatever I'm saying, you have to do that. Ansible, Windows, Devops code. Here, yes. So you have to do this in ACS. Okay, for Windows support. These are the procedures you have to run it. These all commands you have to run it in ACS. Okay, means what you have to do? Install Pi in RM. This is something which you have to do in Windows. ACS, no? This you have to do in ACS. Okay. Now in ARS, what you have to do? So in ARS, you have to do in Windows machine. you have to
Mhm.
do this one. So these installations you have to do. Okay, most of that, if you are using the latest version, you will be there, but get it confirmed. So this setup you have to do in ARS Windows.
Mhm.
This setup you have to do in ARS ACS Linux.
Linux.
Okay, and after that, if this installation is done, then after that you have to use um, Ansible Windows. I'll tell you. Uh, huh. So here, after that, you have to use step 5 inventory example. Example. So just a second, hold on.
Okay.
हाँ Joyce? हाँ okay, okay, I'm just joining. Yeah, just give me a second. Okay, so inventory example, and here this will go to 5, this will go to 4. Here it is. So now you got this one done, and after that inventory example is this one. So
Mhm.
uh, this is your IP address of Windows. This is your username of your Windows. This is the password. This is the connection. This is the basic, and this is. So these three things, let it be as it is in inventory, and then you know how to run the playbook. That's all. Got it?
Yeah.
So this whole things you have to do it. It will takes time, some time, maybe 2 days or something for you to understand all this stuff. But do it in this flow only. Don't jump to
Okay.
the finding out the solution immediately, and that way
Mhm.
you will struggle for many days actually. Okay.
Okay, Raj. Mhm.
Okay. One more thing. You need to learn Git. So Git.
Yeah.
Some of the videos I'm sharing with you. Um, just a second. Uh, DevSecOps School. This is my new channel. So which is you have some free videos without any problem you have.
Yeah, yeah, I
So
have gone
yeah,
through these videos first, but
yeah.
some
So
of
check
them are
this.
long. Yeah, yeah.
No, no, no. This is a free videos.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. So for Git, you just check this out here.
Thank
This
you.
will help you. Okay, so just try it out. If you get any error, post in the WhatsApp group. I'll help you with that.
Okay. So about the sequence, Raj, like can you
Sequence, same thing. First thing,
um,
study this one.
no,
Second
no,
thing, this one.
not about this. So after creating, I mean,
Ha,
after
okay,
writing
ha,
Ansible,
wait, okay.
can you
Let me
write the
write.
path here? Yeah.
Ha, ha. Once tested, add this code in in what? Git GitLab for you using
Okay.
Git. Number 7, uh, go to Tower, create a project. Tower, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Create a project with this repo. That's all. So this repo which you tested, playbook repo, just like this, the output will be uh, like this. Uh, I have one example. Just a second, hold on. So role. See, you have this is Windows role and this is the Linux role. So just like this, you commit and use in the uh, example, use in the project of repo. That's all.
Okay, first I have to write all the Ansible code after creating the
You have to
steps.
start from
Uh,
here. Yeah.
yeah, write the Ansible code in Visual Studio, and then uh, upload that and run through all the, I mean, test in other missions.
Hmm.
And once tested, then to the uh, GitLab, and then to the
Yeah.
tower.
That's
So
the thing. You follow the
after fixing the
same
project and
same.
doing that tower, so how to deploy? Like, we are testing only in test missions, or we are running in all the missions in the step 5?
Step 5 in a test machine means there'll be ACS, will have ARS, Windows. So you will run
Yeah,
command in ACS only, but your inventory is Windows, no? See here.
yeah, yeah.
So you will run something like this: Ansible hyphen playbook
Playbook,
and hyphen I
my
inventory
inventory,
web
web,
Windows
Windows.
ms equal dot YAML, and that's all. And if you want to give the password, is already here. So it's inventory file. Got it?
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.